Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy Sunday. I am coming in today, as you can tell, with another dress reveal. This is actually my Christmas dress reveal. So I wanted to bring this video in to you today. I actually have it on. So it'll be a quick review because it is a repeat. But first of all, I do want to say Merry Christmas to all those who celebrate Christmas, and prayers to those who maybe this is the first time that maybe you lost a loved one, a friend, or someone, and that I pray that their memories bring smile to your face and comfort to you in this season, as difficult as it may be. And I also congratulate those who have are celebrating new things this holiday season. Actually, on my job, we have one co-worker who recently just got married a couple weeks ago, and so then but then on the flip side, we have another co-worker who lost their spouse. Actually, it was the same weekend of Thanksgiving that happened for both of those co-workers. So I do understand both sides, and I have empathy for those who may be struggling with the loss of a loved one, but also celebrate those who do have something to celebrate this holiday season. So I am going to jump in today with my Destashify, yes, my Destashify haul, because I do have fabric to share with you today, as well as my make for Christmas. But first, I want to come in. Okay, so I know you guys enjoy the Dossier when I talk about the Dossier perfumes, and so I want to thank Dossier for this collab. And yes, I have a couple more perfumes to share with you today. Here's the good news. So, and I'm gonna leave the link down below. First of all, for those who like to shop online, there is a discount code. There is a, I believe it's 5%. Let me double check. Yes, I had to make sure I said the right thing. You do get an additional 5% off using the code Natita5. I'll put all of that down in the description box. And so, and you can use this on top of any specials that are going on the website. And so if you have purchase 3 items, for example, you get 20% off plus the 5%, and so, or 4 items, 25% plus another 5%, using my specific link down below. And so yeah, I wanted to come in and share with you that for my online shoppers. But guess what? Dossier is now available in select stores. I will leave a link to the store locator in the description box. They are now inside of Walmart. So if you've ever wanted to try those high-end fragrances for a fraction of the cost, you know I've talked about that many times here on the channel. I have actually enjoyed all of the scents that I have received from Dossier. You can now, there are select fragrances that are in the store. So if you're like, ooh, I don't know, because you can take a scent quiz on their website and try to figure out what it is that you like. Or, you know, based on recommendations and different things of that nature as well. Or if you're the type, I want to smell them. I'm not sure if, I have not checked my local Walmart actually. Actually should have did that. And I actually went recently. I haven't seen if they are, because sometimes for perfumes in the perfume section, they're locked behind the glass cabinet, so you might have to ask somebody to open it up for you. But at least you can go in the store and purchase your scent, or get a discount. Use my discount code. Let me share with you the 2 that I want to share with you today. And one I'm actually going to be wearing on Christmas Day. This is called Citrus Green Apple. Citrus Green Apple. This is what the bottle looks like. And actually, I have smelled this scent before. You all know I do love perfumes, and so when I'm at Ulta, Sephora, or whatever, I do smell a lot of different fragrances. So I was familiar with this. This one is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for Women, the Eau de Toilette. Absolutely love it. It is a beautiful scent. Now, here's the thing. You all know, if you saw my last review for my last mention of Dossier, I received these early in the summertime, and I'm just now really able to play with them and wear them. This was a perfect choice. I pat myself on the back because it is cold here in Houston, Texas, you guys. We did get frigid temperatures, freezing temps. Thank God we did not lose power this time. You all know the freeze last year, quite a few people lost power for a few days, including us. But this one, This Dolce & Gabbana light blue smells cold. It smells, if that makes sense, like on a cool day, like you want to, for me, that's at least how I think, based on what I'm wearing and probably the temperature outside, you know, that gives me what I want to wear for that day. This is something I will be wearing on Christmas Day. It is a beautiful scent. It's light and it's nice and airy. The notes are bluebell, jasmine, rose, amber. And the bottom note is a musk in there, but I really don't smell that. And so I do love this, and this will be a winter scent for me for sure. For sure. I cannot see me wearing this in the summer. I do like this more for this fall winter. The next scent I want to tell you about is the powdery orange flower. Now this one is a Valentino Voce Viva Eau de Parfum. I know I'm probably saying that a little off. This one I did not like. I thought I would based on the notes because it has bergamot, ginger, it has a musk in there, a little gardenia. This one I did not care for, so I probably will gift this to a friend. But if you do like those scents, those notes, you probably will like this. You all know, for me, with the Dossier scents, for me so far, they do match up with the actual scents. I don't know. This is the only one I did not know how the Valentino smelled before in the store. And so I don't care for it. So this one I am not going to keep. Again, just honest review, just so you know. But again, save 5%. Use my code down below. Go do some shopping. You got some Christmas money. Go ahead and treat yourself to some holiday scents. All right, let's get into this dress. All right, everybody, you all know, okay, the Friday Pattern Company Westcliff dress I have already made. I have it hanging here, and these are both made in the ITY. This is my Destashify Fabric haul, actually. And let me just tell you, and you all know I am a brand ambassador, if you did not know, for Destashify. I'll leave a link to this shop down below. It is not an affiliate link, but I will leave a link to Destashify below. You have to peruse. You know, I've purchased from Destashify. I've been sent fabric. This fabric I'm showing you today, I was sent as a brand ambassador. But you all know I purchased as well. What I can say and continue to say about Destashify is that you will find some unique, beautiful pieces, and you have to jump on it quick. And so, yeah, when you see something, throw it in your cart and go ahead and check out, because yes, there have been some great finds that I have found. Now I am wearing one of the fabrics that I got from the shop, so let me share with you what it is. And I almost didn't think I was going to get this dress out of this, but it's 60 inches wide. It is a poly spandex knit, and it was only 2 yards. Now the thing was, on the selvage of this, and I'll come up in a moment so you can see a little bit closer. Love that. Look at these colors. Yes, these colors are in my color palette. And you know, I was playing with this head wrap that I had recently got. I'm not sure, because again, I'm filming this before Christmas, so I'm not sure if the necklace I'm gonna keep on. I don't know. I feel like I'm doing the most, and I feel like maybe I'll just do the most on Christmas when we go to church. But but anyway, on the selvage edge of this, it's a poly spandex. It's an ITY. It says it was designed exclusively for Joann Fabrics. I haven't ever seen this in Joann Fabrics store, but obviously this was one that was in there. And this particular shop, this came from, is the shop name on here? Actually, no, it's not. The shop that I got it from is not on this slip, but it was only 2 yards. Well, it said 2.08. 2 yards, and I was able to squeeze out, literally squeeze out. I'll pop up some pictures here, because I did have to, the back is meant to be cut out on the fold. I could not cut it out on the fold because I was running out of fabric. I was already pushing it, so I had to add cut out 2 pieces, add the extra 1/2 inch, you know, so I can at least I used a 1/2 inch extra, so to make sure I had enough to have my back piece. But yeah, 2 yards of this, and absolutely beautiful. It is in my color palette. It just pops for me when I saw this. Usually it takes me a minute. Sometimes I see a fabric, it depends, and I'll say, oh, I know what I can make with that. Other times I'm like, I'm not quite sure, and I might go back and forth between 2, 3, 4 different types of fabric patterns. But this one, when I saw it, because you all know, if you saw the review, I'll leave a link in the iCard. I did this in collaboration with Cherie Thomas here on YouTube. She was a guest for the S&D Sewing Chat, and we did the collaboration. I'll pop up a couple pictures of it too. Absolutely love this dress. So easy to put together. It is wrap top, but the bottom, the skirt is an A-line skirt. That's just a skirt that you add on. And so this is actually an ITY as well. Now, you all know I'm usually not a fan of ITY fabrics, but again, I can tell the difference. I think I said that in a video when I did this review. This ITY came from Melanated Fabrics, and so this one would have come from Joann Fabrics originally. It is definitely thinner. It is a thinner ITY than this one. This one has a little bit more recovery in it, while this one I feel is a little bit more drapey, which I'm not mad at it. I'm totally fine with it, and I know it can transition into summer. And I did, for this one, I think I had crossed over the wrap piece a little bit more. I didn't necessarily have to wear a cami up under this one, but I did. And this one I don't have a cami underneath because the wrap part went over high enough for me that I thought gave me good enough coverage. Let me show you this fabric. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, absolute. Oh, it just beams off my skin. I just love the way this looks. I just love, and like I said, I'll pop up a couple pictures and video, and I do like how I styled it, again, because I'm filming this like 3 days before Christmas. I know I'm gonna do the head wrap because I like how it contrasts. It has dots in it, and this here actually, this was sent to me from Melanated Hair Care, and so it was a free gift with a purchase. And so so yeah, I was like, you know, I'm gonna put that with that and see how that go. And then of course my earrings, the necklace, old, had for years, earrings from a shop that is no longer open, I do not believe. And yeah, I've just had all this jewelry in my stash for quite some time, but I'm thinking I might rock it like this. We shall see. So this was my first fabric, and when I saw it, I was like, immediately I'm making another Westcliff, because I've always wanted to make one. I made no changes. I still made the same size, which is the size 18 in a D cup. I think that's an extra large with a D cup. That is for measurement. Let me pull up the measurement. Okay, I pulled up the measurement, the extra large. Where did I get 18D? Must have gotten that from somewhere, but anyway, that is a bust of 44 through 46. The waist is 36 through 39, and the hips is a 46 through 49. And so yes, that absolutely worked perfect for me so far as sizing. I absolutely love this dress. Absolutely love this wrap dress. You do have the neckband that you sew on. I did put my I'll throw a clip in here of the label, one of my garment labels, which is available on my website, in here as well. But the neckband, I did again, remember the yoke, this front piece has the part that gathers into the yoke, and I did double the yoke. If you can see, I know I'm showing my bra, but if you can tell, I did double the yoke, so it was a clean finish, and did the burrito method there, so it's a clean finish on the inside, and everything else is serge. So worked out beautifully. It's a quick make. I think I just took my time. I can tell you, it probably take you a couple hours to make. Not hard at all, and I absolutely love this dress pattern. And it's one of those that's just gonna stay nearby when I want to make something quick. Yeah, a quick dress. I absolutely love it. Did the short sleeves, everything. Like I said, I should have popped up some video and quick pictures and whatnot so you can see. Now let me share with you my other Destashify fabric. This one is, when I saw it, I was like, yes. This is, now the shop, name of the shop for this one was called Closet Favorites. And this is called, the name of this print is a vintage Schwartz Liebman large floral rayon challis, and it is 2 yards. But I want to say this is also it's 60 inches wide. This fabric is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, when you go over to Destashify, you see something, grab it, because yeah, if you play around, you'll mess around and miss it. I'm just gonna unfold this. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. This, oh, let me hold it up. This is absolutely gorgeous. Again, another one, if you can tell, I held it up. You have that pink in there, that blue, that teal green. You have purple in there. All in my color palette. All in my color palette. And so when I saw it, I was like, beautiful. And I do have a project I am making with it. I will reveal it in January. Yes, which I'm excited about. And I should have enough. I should have enough. Now the pattern I'm going to use, like I said, I'm not going to tell you what it is, but the pattern I'm using has a top and a dress version. And so we shall see. I'm thinking if I'm careful, I can get the dress out. Because when I tell y'all I squeeze these pieces on this fabric to get this out, yes, I sure did. But yeah, make sure, if you have not subscribed, for those who have unsubscribed and resubscribed, I can actually tell people who watched my previous video actually did that, because I saw the change and the subscriptions going down, and then they went back up over a course of a couple days. So maybe that's still a thing for YouTube. If you did not see my previous video, I had mentioned, because a subscriber mentioned they hadn't been seeing my videos pop up in their feed, that maybe you the thing you need to do is unsubscribe completely and then resubscribe, and also hit the bell and click you want to receive the notifications. Just, you know, just go through the process. It seemed to be working for people, as I can tell. But yeah, these were my Destashify haul, this one and this one. And so what I will make with this beautiful rayon challis, you will see next month, next year actually, January 2023. Yes, it is fast approaching. So that is it, everybody. That is all I have. Remember, check the description box. I'll leave a link to Destashify. I'll also leave a link for the 5% off with Dossier. I'll also leave the link for those who want to go in the store, so you can try to find the store in your area. Maybe for the Dossier perfumes, they are awesome and save you a little bit of change, a little bit of coin. So all right, everybody, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yes, Wednesday I will have a video, an extra video this month. This will be my Asha dress from Style Arc. And so yeah, I was procrastinating on finishing that one because it has the shirring, and yeah, I've never done that before, and so I still have a little bit of practicing to do. But anyway, you will see that coming up on Wednesday. So thank you, everybody, so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. But I pray that you all had a blessed, restful, and peaceful and healthy Christmas and holiday weekend. All right, everybody, we will see you on Wednesday. Bye.